Best DIY upholstery cleaner for sofas. Apex Fresh Cleaning, Brooklyn, New York. Living in Brooklyn, New York can leave your sofa in need of a refresh from the city's dust and dirt. Here's how to make a DIY upholstery cleaner that works wonders. 1. Create the solution. Mix 1 cup of warm water, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of dish soap. 2. Test a spot. Before cleaning the entire sofa, test the solution on a small hidden area. 3. Scrub gently. Use a soft cloth dipped in the solution to gently scrub the stained areas in circular motions. 4. Rinse with water. Dampen a cloth with water and wipe away the cleaning solution residue. 5. Dry thoroughly. Allow the sofa to air dry, using a fan if needed. Your Brooklyn sofa will look good as new.